Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We are pasting this beautiful lace. You can cut this size from cardboard. Now cover it from its back side. We are putting these artificial flowers and pearls inside it and paste a transparent sheet. This way the flowers are visible. Now decorate it more and paste sticks around it using hot glue gun. After this we are going to cover this using this beautiful thread. Twist it and cover the sticks like we are doing. We are also putting the pearls for more decoration. Similar way, cut the extra sticks using this cutter and paste pearls on the top of it. Similar way, we are making a frame and paste it on the top of it, and look at the beautiful flower shape. Similar way, we are going to make the lid as well. Here we are making a tissue paper box. Make a hole and decorate it more. Similar way, put pearls inside it and cover it with transparent sheet and lace like we are doing here. And look, your tissue paper box is ready. Here we are going to paste these sticks around this plastic cup using hot glue gun. Now start braiding this jute rope around those sticks. Twist all the sticks and give it a curvy shape like this. Now we are going to twist again. Here we are making a beautiful flower pot and cover the sticks. After this we are going to cut the extra part and we are going to decorate with lace and a bow shape. Put your plant inside and look, it is ready. Here we are going to paste lace and sticks around this empty container. After this, cover the base using this beautiful fabric and we are going to braid and paste all the rope on the top of it. We are using this two different color of rope here, so twist it around those sticks and make a beautiful pattern like this. Now we are going to cut the extra rope using cutter and cut the sticks as well. After this, we are going to paste a beautiful lace on the top of it. Similar way, we are going to decorate the lid as well using this beautiful blue color fabric and add more details and paste the lace on the top and base of the container. Paste a knob as well and look, your beautiful box is ready. We are going to use this empty box, so cover it using this beautiful fabric. Paste it using hot glue gun. Now we are going to paste sticks around it. Similar way, we are going to cover it using this jute rope. Twist it around the sticks and give it a beautiful pattern like this. You can also use different thread in place of this. Now add more decorations by pasting these laces around it and look, your beautiful container is ready. We're going to use this empty plastic cup, paste sticks around it and cover it using this jute rope for more decoration. We're going to use two different color of rope here. Twist it around those sticks like we're doing here. It will give a beautiful pattern. Now we are going to cut the extra sticks and give it shape at the top like we're doing here and paste a beautiful lace for more decoration. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.